Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Stone HS710 drone. This HS710 is a camera drones for adults. Unfortunately, its price is just over $200, but it's very good deal for the money. Its UHD 4K camera captures your wonderful moments with incredible details. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable structure broaden your view, and the 5 GHz FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. GPS drones for adults. Multiple GPS functions such as follow me, waypoint flight, tap fly, and point of interest enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands. The whole family can enjoy the creative fun of flight together. A perfect drone for beginners. The GPS and GLONASS dual-mode global positioning system combined with optical flow positioning keeps the drone hover extremely stably in the air both indoors and outdoors. It holds a position quite stable even in wind with the powerful brushless motors better than other competitor drones. 2 safer modular batteries are convenient to use, which increase the flight time up to 50 minutes. The portable and foldable structure is designed for your convenience and brings longer-lasting fun to you and your family. Number 2 in this best drone under $200 list is Stone HS175D GPS Drone. This drone comes with a carrying case, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. Weight under 250 grams to save you from FAA registration. 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture, enabled to capture a perfect shot. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery a smooth and stable videos even in high speed or strong wind conditions. GPS assisted flight, it can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power, never have to worry about flying it away. 2 batteries give you up to 46 minutes flight experience. And functions like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, 1 key takeoff/landing and speed adjust make it so easy to beginners or newbies. This drone can trace and follow you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles, and when you pose to the camera it will take a photo or video, let you enjoy the wonderful flight experience. Our third choice is Stone HS510 GPS Drone. This Stone drone has a 120-degree wide field of view and can record 4K Ultra HD video. Furthermore, it is compact, foldable, and lightweight. It is capable of utilizing every single pixel, resulting in crystal clear photos and film. This enables the camera to deliver smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second and 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. The HS510 is unquestionably a travel necessity. The quadcopter arms and propeller blades of this 4K drone can be folded for a more compact design. The aircraft is small, but it can shoot stable aerial shots thanks to GPS follow me, point of interest, and tap fly. It is much easier to transport while traveling with a carrying case. Dual satellite connectivity employs both GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, ensuring that you never lose a signal while outdoors. It has a fantastic return to home point and a new more precise landing technology, in addition to optical flow positioning, barometer, and satellite systems. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best drone under 200 list is Stone HS120D GPS Drone. The specially designed backpack can carry everything for HS120D, allows you to take this drone anywhere, incredibly convenient for travel and outdoor. Having optimized 2K Ultra HD adjustable camera and foldable design controller, HS120D can transmit fluent and clear live video in vivid colors, let you enjoy the sky from a bird's eye perspective. Simply draw tap points on your smartphone screen, the drone would automatically follow and fly along with the patch, help you discover different scenery. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times, easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. One key takeoff or landing, altitude hold and speed adjust functions, make this drone so easy to access, even for kids and beginners. The GPS mode can help this drone hold a solid hover. With RTH functionality, the drone can fly itself back if it's out of range or signal, or in low power. Orientate the drone's direction towards you, make it easier to operate, even the drone fly up to 300 m height. No worry of losing direction. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is DEERC D15 GPS Drone. The newest technology for image stabilization, ICE effectively minimizes the effects from vibration and shaking, create videos in 30 to 60 frames with extremely smooth and stable footage. Built-in Sony sensor with advanced image capture technologies for superior image quality compared with other common sensors. 4K Ultra HD image with stunning clarity, deep contrast and vivid color, 130-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustable lens capturing a wider and clearer view. 5G FPV transmission delivery live streaming with zero latency from up to 500 m distance. Accurately GPS positioning and auto return function, RTH, ensure safety flight. D15 will automatically return to the fly point when drone is in low power, out of range, lost signal, or you press the one key return button. D15 is easy to access for users at any levels. Simply press one key to start. With optical flow and altitude hold functions, the drone can hover stably in the air. The LCD controller gives you vital details of the flight, ensure your drone always in optimal condition. For details, let's watch more.